Hello everybody, this is Patchwork with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this nice block. The name is 9Patch. To work on it we use squares of 4.5 inches. We can work in 2 different colors, 3 different colors, or even the 9 different colors. Here I already put my block and it's ready to sew. So first we are going to sew here and here and here to make the rows, and then we sew the rows to each other to make the finished block. So let's go to the machine to sew it. So we are going to start sewing the blocks, and we sew a 1/4 inch each one. So let's start it. So here we already have 2 squares together, and then let's go to put the other one on the other side. Putting together 2 of these finished blocks, or 3, you can make a table runner, and if you wanted to assemble more than that, you can make a quilt. This block has a pretty good size. It's a 12.5 inch square will be when it's finished, and this is kind of a standard size for many blocks when you are working on quilts. If you are working on other kind of projects like table runners, you cut your initial squares a little smaller, like maybe 3 inches will be a good size. So I have my rows ready, all 3 of them. All 3 of them are ready, and now we are going to press. When we press our blocks, we leave the seam to the darker fabric. We do it this way. We have the first one ready. So here we have the block ready to continue sewing. So here we have our block, so let's continue sewing. So let's put these 2 rows together, checking that our seam match here, we can help ourselves with some pins. I normally do. So let's do on the other side too. With our fingers we can help ourselves here to matching the seams. And with the pins we help also that when we are sewing the fabric doesn't move. And we continue sewing a 1/4 inch. We organize the fabric. We could add leftover thread. So now we have 2 sides of the block. Then we need to add the last one. We need to be careful that we add on the right side. So again, we here held with pins. On the other side too. And we are ready to sew. Organize the fabric again. When we arrive to the seams, we verify that the fabric is right, is not turning out, so our block will be smooth. So we are done with the sewing part for this block. Let's remove the thread and let's see it. It's that way. So let's iron again. Here we are ready to press our finished block. Let's see it. So here we have our ending block. It turned so pretty. So with it you can make so different projects. As I said at the beginning, table runners, a quilt, even you can make a little purse here with just one block, or any other ideas that you wanted. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you next time.